Good morning, everybody. Welcome to OptionPit.com, a morning stock market and volatility report. It's Andrew Giovinazzi, filling in for Mark Sebastian. Events. Saturday class, options for stock investors. For our Option Pit Live subscribers, this is a free class. This is one of our Saturday classes we give periodically through the year. What are we going to talk about? Long-term investing. Using the Greeks, understanding how longer-term time frames work when you're buying or selling options, practical hedging strategies for stocks and indexes, and again, long-term entry points for vol positions. So there is a lot in this class. We're also going to be teaching a master class, a 10-part series on this subject where we break all of these subjects out into a little more gory detail. That'll be coming in March. For all those that are interested, send me a note, andrew@optionpit.com. There'll be quizzes. It'll be like a class. It'll be like a class on learning stuff. Also, for all of you that are interested, our gold class now, we're doing what I would call live education, kind of like a seminar style education every Monday for about 45 minutes. What I take is like a basic topic and we sort of expand the basic topic. This week, we're going to talk about Delta, how it works, what you need to know about it, and again, going into pretty good detail. Let's see here. Now, what do we have for the market today? I would say can't really decide what to do. We need a bit of a catalyst at this point to go anywhere. We've had a pretty good run, and now we need some more news. Earnings have been pretty good. Facebook propelled us higher last week. It's just hanging in there. Again, but it's up from 138 or what is it, 128 or something like that was the low. Apple was another one that I think everybody realized, oh wow, Apple's not in terrible shape. Again, looking like 170 or more. So you've got, I would say, just sort of a stable market. And I think we'll look at this in our chat today. We'll definitely be looking at it in our gold class tonight. But I think, index time spreads with a delta, anything like that. The vol is relatively inexpensive. So if you look at like SPY volatility, and just even going at like a couple of weeks out, they're not charging you a ton, right? Volatility at the money is like 13.5%. And we've been moving quite a bit. Now, today is, I would say, muted move overall. But it's cheap enough now. It's hard for the volatility to go down hard. And as soon as you have that, you could get an opportunity for time spreads and things like that could look a little bit better. As far as that, most tech looks okay. I believe Google is coming out relatively quickly as well. Okay. And, it looks like they like it for right now. We have earnings are after the close. I had a feeling it was coming around. So we look for that kind of stuff. Most of the social media stuff have reported good earnings. The more hardware maker type companies have been not as good, or a lot of them slashed a lot of forecasts. So we'll see what happens. And we also have Twitter coming up relatively soon. So, and that's another social media company which could, pick up on the halo from the halo for Google. So there's little trades you can trade to sort of pick up the momentum. If Google has any kind of momentum, that will probably transfer to Twitter. So there could be some easy sort of momentum trades there. Other than that, though, I look for more of the same. VIX is marking up from the weekend a little bit, but unless we really move, don't expect much to happen. And we're going to kind of be sitting like this until we either get some trade resolution, even Venezuela, anything where we get some sort of resolution out of everything. And that will propel us. Trade resolution, I think, would propel us a lot higher at this point. But in the short term, just riding any kind of social media earnings would be up, and at least till the earnings seems like the best thing to do. All right. With that, I will see many of you in our chat room or in Go classes or somewhere in the option pit sphere later.